Why LA CPAs are using multi-factor authentication for cloud apps.
Courtesy of FPA Technology Services Guide. 12 ways for CPA firms in LA to utilize technology more efficiently.
If a bank were secured merely by the lock on the front door, would you think the bank manager was careless or short-sighted? More typically, a bank will have a highly secure safe, alarm systems, security pass cards, and lots of locks. Would you sleep better if your Los Angeles CPA client data was protected with all those layers of security? Multi-factor authentication or dual-factor authentication secures your cloud application in much the same way. Should an accountant take a pragmatic approach and stick with only desktop software applications? Third-party multi-factor authentication protocols. There are many applications on the market which can provide the extra layer of security which makes cloud services more viable. They usually combine 2 or 3 elements such as something you know, such as a password or personal information number, something you have, such as a token key code, an SMS message, or a smart card, and something you are, like your fingerprint or another biometric identifier. Biometric security. Using a unique identifier like a retinal scan, a fingerprint reading, or facial recognition is becoming common on mobile and traditional devices. Short of being in the presence of the device, your data is just about as secure as you can get. Add another layer of encryption to the biometric signature like a password or PIN number, and your cloud app is digitally locked down. Email and social media credentials and browser certificates. Another frequently used method of creating a sticky or low-maintenance multi-factor authentication login situation for your cloud apps is to use applications that allow you to connect your password to your email credentials. Locate applications that allow you to use a password keeper. Associate your Facebook, Twitter, or Google credentials with your password if applicable. If you want to keep your data secure, think like a bank security expert. Don't trust your firm and client data to a simple password. Add layers of security. When it comes to multi-factor authentication, you are the key. Is your CPA firm using multi-factor authentication for cloud apps? Has it been useful for your data security? Tell us about it in the comment section below.
And to follow through on the tips introduced in this short article, be sure to download your free guide, 12 Ways for CPA Firms in LA to Utilize Technology More Efficiently. You can download a copy of this guide while it's still available at techguideforlacpas.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and tuning in today to learn all about
why LA CPAs are using multi-factor authentication for cloud apps.